Hello everyone. I wanted to start with this video format since a very long time, but I was procrastinating. But I used to do the timetable work on my diary, but I think I should start with making timetables digitally so that I can share them online. Again, it's for my accountability purposes. So yeah, not much time is left for the day to get over, but anyways, we will try to cover as much as possible from tomorrow onwards. I will post such videos in the morning itself or a night previously. So yeah, so today I covered actually. So we have four different things on our plate right now. I covered this part. I appeared for a test. I wrote it in the online mode. The topic for this test was agronomy. So I was able to write 10 and a half questions for this test within 2 hours. I have to work on my speed. Initially, I was writing 9 questions in 2 hours, but now I have moved to 10.5 answers, 10.5 answers in 2 hours. So content is not the concern, the speed is the concern right now. But anyways, that will improve with time and practice. And I had started with optional today this morning, but I had some work, so I had to go out. So I did not do enough. I think I had sat only for 35 minutes for optional. So the plan for today was to do liberalism. I've read the theory. It is, but I have to do answer writing on liberalism and also idealism. These two political theories are on the plate right now. So I am going to start with answer writing now, and moving forward for newspapers. These days I don't read articles. I am just sticking to editorials. So articles is I just go through the articles. I read the headlines. I don't read the entire article. If there's any data, I just look at it. So 40 minutes for newspaper and current affairs magazine. This is pending since a very long time, and I know I just keep saying it, but I can't follow it. From today, no matter what, I am going to study for at least 30 minutes the current affairs magazine. I'm going to read. I will probably start with maybe June or July. I'll start with June 2025, and I'm going to allot 30 to 40 minutes for that session. So for optional, the thing is, I know liberalism. I don't have an issue understanding the concept, but I saw 2 to 3 different sources for liberalism, and every other source looks better than the one which I'm reading from. So that's an issue. I don't want to waste much time reading multiple sources. I just want to stick to one basic source and then look out for PYQs. So PYQs are something which are really important, and maybe try to make notes out of it. PYQs, because if you see recently or not recently, for political ideologies they have been asking application based questions, right? They don't directly ask, or they have asked in fact, but the number of questions which they have asked directly is a bit less. So when I say application, they are giving statement type questions, and they ask to analyze. So I think this is an area where I want to improve. If you ask me terms about PSI or ideologies, I am very much well versed, at least conceptual wise, but not via answer writing. So this is something which I want to improve. So make notes from PYQs, because the thing is, every other source looks beautiful. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sources. I mean, I don't read from all of these, but they create a FOMO actually. Every other source feels better. If I'm reading the first source, the second one feels good. If I read the second one, the third one feels good. If I read the fourth one, and the cycle goes on. So I just want to stick to only one source, right? Only one source, nothing else. That will be the base source, all right? And on top of it, I'm going to do additions, all right? So additions for based on PYQs, and if current affairs, if it is possible. I don't think for liberalism much is required. I might be wrong. I'll get to know about it. Current affairs and maybe some value addition from topper's copy. So I think this is enough, because in the end we just have to write 150 words, 250 words answer, right? So no matter how much amount of data I have, I only have to stick to this number, 150 to 200 to 50 words. So all right, so now I did read about liberalism in the morning, but I want to make short notes out of it. All right, short notes. But before that, I would highlight important keywords from my notes which I am referring to. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to do PYQs. So targeting, currently today I'm going to do just liberalism, right? So I don't think there are a lot of, there are, yes. So let's see, I will do 10 questions today of liberalism. So this was for PSR, all right? Okay. Newspaper, only the editorial part. The editorial good editorials are, not all editorials are important exam wise, either 2 or 3 editorials. And if time persists, I am going to make notes out of it. And tomorrow I'm going to post a video, and I'm going to mark everything that I did today, so that I become more responsible and I stay committed to what I'm setting my timetable to. So I think this is enough. Optional, political theories, liberalism, revision 1 hour, and answer writing 2 hours. I think this might stretch. It might go to maybe 3 hours, because I'm going to make notes out of PYQs. All right, so newspaper, editorial 2 to 3 notes, and GS test. I am done with the test. So let me mark this with a different color, green. Okay, I don't have any set of norms on what color coding I should do. It's just all random. Current affairs magazine, this is really important. If I miss today doing current affairs magazine, I might not do it tomorrow as well, and I don't want to do that. All right, so see you tomorrow.